Alright. Get me out of here. Alright, what's up everybody? And today we are gonna play Doors. Hey, move. Oh. Ninja Turtle! As I was saying, we're gonna play Doors, and yeah, we're gonna play Doors, first time playing. Hopefully my recording doesn't end, you know, like, recording sucks. One sec, I'll be right back, you know, like, I gotta cut to the gameplay, so, boom! Okay, before the video starts, the recording sucks, and, it cut out all my videos, like, just cut out, like, half of the video, so you're only gonna see some moments. Yeah, so, if you want me to play it again, and just go tell me, and, I might do it again, because I don't want to do it again, because I'm sad, and I don't want to do this. There is gonna be swearing, so, I believe there's swearing, because I'm too lazy to, check my videos. There's gonna be jump scares. There is also gonna be flashing lights, I believe, so, we're close to 5K. My friend called me, that made me cut out my voice recording, which it kinda killed me. Yeah, I think so, that's it. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, right there. What was that ink ball? I call him ink ball because he's an ink with a face, with a ball. There he is, Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. There you are, Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. Oh, it's these things. Bro. Okay. Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. Bro, Chewy, shut up, bro. Mr. Seek. When will he stop? Mr. Seek. Mr. Seek. I don't know, I kinda like Mr. Seek, dude. He's just cool. Yeah, Mr. Seek. I wanna know what happened. Alright. Crouch. 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 Go, Drew. Uncrouch. Go left, I believe. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Anyways, guys, this game sucks. I really hate it. I'm gonna go dislike this game, and what are you looking at? Like, this game sucks. I'm gonna go dislike it. No, down, yeah. Alright, thanks for watching, and peace out.